Hi, in this video, we'll understand why purchase amount mismatch happens and how to fix it. Purchase amount mismatch usually happens when invoices are uploaded using purchase by picture or PDF, as these are not 100% accurate, or when purchases are entered manually with incorrect values. That is why we strongly recommend using CSV upload as it gives higher accuracy. If the final purchase amount does not match, follow this simple checks. First check is PTR. Kindly cross verify PTR against the invoice. So here is the invoice that we received it from the distributor. If you notice, the PTR shown for colic aid drop in the system is 45, whereas in the invoice it is 50. So let's manually enter and add the details. If PTR is incorrect, all further calculations will be wrong. Also, if you receive free quantity in decimal or points, PTR may not match. In such cases, ignore PTR. Second check is the discount. If you notice, the invoice says 0% discount for all the stocks, whereas in the system, the discount is manually taken for the stock Zol F skin ointment as 5%. So we need to manually change the discount to 0 and add it. So usually kindly look out for wrong discounts, negative discounts or overall bill discount. Also note, discount must always be applied before GST. Then last check is GST. Ensure GST is always correct. GST should always be calculated after discount. If the distributor uses reverse calculation, contact the distributor for correction. If you notice, Busco Gas tab, it shows 12% GST, whereas in the invoice it is shown 5% GST. Manually edit and add the product. Finally, compare the invoice breakdown with the help of total PTR, total discount, and GST total. Whereas in the invoice, if you look at the invoice, the overall amount is shown as 2425, whereas in the system also it shows as 2425. There is an overall discount given in the invoice, which is 121.26. So manually add the discount and enter. Your final amount will be calculated as per the invoice that you have received, 2419. Thank you.